Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 4-inch RBP lift on it. We powder coated the lift red, give it a nice little accent with box shocks. We added some 20x12 Fuel Avengers wheel in a satin black finish and some 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. We also put an Avenger hood on the front. As you can tell, we Kevlar'd it. And if you're looking, you can see that we're missing the fenders and the bumpers and whatnot. But we're on such a tight timeline, we have to deliver it tonight. We're bringing you this video right now. Also, here's the best part. It is a 6'4" Hemi. So you want to do burnouts in your Jeep, this one's the one for you. Tips and tricks on this 4-inch RBP lift. It's a relatively easy lift. However, you do have an aftermarket track bar on the front. So make sure that your adjustment on that track bar is correct. They lay it out in your instructions. Great way to check is by making sure that the tires hit the same point on your fenders after installing your lift. Besides that, RBP, it's a relatively easy lift. You have a rear track bar relocation bracket, and then you swap out your fender, your shocks, and your springs. You take your rear sway bar links up to the front and you get new rear sway bar links. Also, make sure you have a good drill bit because you do have to drill a couple holes for that relocation bracket and for your new bump stops on the front. So besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're like, Michael, I want some of these parts, go to our website, central-alps.com. Let's get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're like, Michael, this is perfect. I need a 6'4" Hemi, I need it Kevlar'd, I need the lift, I need the tires, I need all of it. But I don't want to buy a Jeep, bring it to you, have you fix it. I just want to go ahead and buy it pre-built. What's perfect for you is that we're going to start advertising the vehicles that we've built for dealers on our website. So you can just go to the website, go to our inventory page, and look at all of the vehicles that are ready for sale to get delivered to you today. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email. And my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.